tank number 1. Painted flat black to absorb the heat. Water will go in there, cap the water heater valve overflow. We'll be putting another one on later in the system. And one of the inlets, as I said, water will flow into the tank here, get hot, and then come out there. That is the plan anyway. You know, as water heats, it expands and rises, so it should rise out of there under some goodly pressure. Plan is for it to go into another tank, or, well, maybe I'll put the other tank below this one. But it goes from one tank to the other, gets hot, and flows into my house for hot water. Proceeding along, we'll have to see how this works out.